Hello students, today we will continue our previous chapter, that is chapter 6, sound. Students, sound need a medium to propagate. Today we are going to start from this topic. Sound need a medium, either it will be a solid, liquid or gas to propagate. Let us understand with the help of an example. First of all, take two mobile phones, one tumbler, cardboard, sellotape and straw pipe. Students, first of all, put the mobile in the tumbler and using the another phone, call on that phone which is in the tumbler. After that, cover the tumbler with the cardboard and put a straw. Students, when we ring from the another phone to that phone that is in the tumbler, then you can hear a sound with the help of straw. That means sound need a medium to propagate. Students, before starting the next topic, let us do some exercise. First one is MCQ, tick the correct option. A sound is a form of energy that gives a sense of sound, helps us to hear, that means hearing. The box in human body which helps us to producing sound is called both A and B, that is voice box and larynx. Next one is third, the commonly used doorbell is, which doorbell is used? That is electronic, that one is the electronic device. Biophony source are related to the animal sound. Biophony is related to the animal sound. Next, fifth one, sound is which? Sound is a pressure wave. Next students, let's do the blanks. Our ears can hear the sound from 20 Hz to 2000 Hz. Next one is, which body required to produce a sound? All bodies, that is either solid, liquid and gas. Sound is a longitudinal wave. Sound comes in the form of the longitudinal wave. Longitudinal means straight lines. Next one is, tension of a string of a musical instrument produce sound. Voice of a girl is shriller than the voice of a boy. Next one is the true false. Amplitude is the greatest displacement of a vibration, that is true. Loudness depends upon the amplitude of a sound, which we have already discussed in the previous video, that loudness depends upon the amplitude. If loudness is high, then amplitude is also high. Next one is, number of cycles per second gives the frequency of a sound wave, that is the true. Next, pitch has nothing to do with the sound. No, pitch depends upon the frequency, that is the false. Pitch depends upon the frequency and frequency depends upon the pitch. Next students, sound does not need a medium to propagate. No, sound need a medium to propagate. That one is also false. Next students, match the following. Slinky means top string, toy string. Soundproof, thermocol. Sound, medium. Stethoscope means reflection of sound. Now, let's do the next topic, that is the reflection of sound. When a sound from one medium strikes the surface of another, it is returned to its original medium, then it is called the reflection of sound. Students, when something strikes on the medium and then it reflects back, that is called the reflection. And there are two laws of reflection, first law and second law. The incident wave, sound wave, reflection and the normal, all the angles, angle of incidence, angle of reflection and the normal. Normal is the perpendicular to the plane mirror, that one in this form. These all lie in the same plane. Next one is that angle of incidence. In this picture, angle of incidence and angle of reflection is given. That means angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, that is called the second law of reflection. Students, next one is applications of reflection of sound. First one is stethoscope. Doctor used it to detect the blood pressure. This sound undergoes multiple reflection in tubes and makes it loud. Doctor can easily understand the blood pressure. Student, next one is loudspeaker. Loudspeakers are in the form which is narrow from the other part and broad from the other. When we speak, then the sound reflects and the louder sound is produced. Student, next is absorption of sound. Sound is less absorbed in solid and liquid as compared to the gases. That means sound is less because in the solids particles are tightly packed. That means sound is less absorbed by the solid as compared to the liquid and the gases. And in the liquid there are some space, and in the gases there is more space. Absorption of sound increases with distance and decreases with distance. Absorption of sound increases with the frequency of sound. If the frequency of sound is more, then the absorption is more. Students, there are three types of observer. First one is the single observer, porous observer, and third one is the membrane observer. Students, furniture kept in an empty hall, that one is the example of the single observer. Materials like stone, wood are porous observers. Air in them changes the sound to heat, changes the air in the porous observer, changes the sound energy to the heat energy. For better absorption, thick type of porous sheets can be used by providing layers behind the porous sheet. And the third one, that is last one, is the membrane absorber. A membrane absorber have thin airtight space. Such material can be used with porous observer because they increase their capacity of absorption of sound. Next one is student, your 28 answers. First of all, write down the absorption of sound definition, that is in the blue color. After that, write down that there are three types of absorber. After that, write down single absorber. Furniture kept in the hall is an example of single absorber. That one is about the single absorber. Next, write down the second line. Materials like stone, wood are porous absorber. That is the line of the porous absorber. Explain these lines, one lines of all the three absorbers. And third one is the membrane absorber have thin airtight space. And student, your 27th answer is, first of all, write down the reflection of sound. After that, write down the laws of reflection and write down the application. Write down any 2 or 3 applications of reflection of sound from page 120 and 121. And your answer, 26th answer, sound. Does sound need a medium to propagate? Yes, sound need a medium to propagate. After that, write down the activity which is on page number 119. To demonstrate sound requires some medium to travel. Next one is relative speed of sound in different medium. Students, speed of sound is different in different mediums. Sound can travel through solid, liquid and gases but not through vacuum. Sound need a medium to propagate. Sound cannot travel through the vacuum. For example, in jet planes. Planes are more faster, but when we hear the sound, that is slower. Next is the example of the thunderstorm. Students, in the thunderstorm, first of all, we can see the light. After that, we can hear the sound. That means the speed of light is more than the speed of sound. Speed of sound is different in liquid, solid and gases. It depends upon the two main factors. First one is the temperature of the medium and second one is the density of the medium. Students, temperature of the medium. Changing temperature has large effect on gases and very less efforts on solid and liquid. Speed of sound in air is different and speed of sound air is different. Next one is density of medium. Students, sound travels faster through the denser medium. If the medium is denser, then sound can travel fast. If the medium is rarer, then sound of speed is slower. Next one is the formula. Speed of sound is given by V is equals to distance covered by the sound over time taken. That is V is equals to S upon T. Students, these types of examples are given. You have to solve the numericals that are based on this formula. 2 things are given in the numericals and you have to find out the third one. Next is soundproof explorer. Students, there is a lot of difference between the music and the noise. For example, you are recording some music. Noise of such appliances or machines have ruined the recording. There is a disturbance of the noise. By law, we know that the sound can reflect the absorber. Suppose we put these machines applications on their noise, making into parts soundproof explorers. Next students, there is an activity is given in your book that how can you design a soundproof box. Students, your 29th answer is first of all from page 123, last line sound up to the second last line, up to the last page, that is 123. After that, write down the second paragraph on page 124, from sound to the speed of light. Next paragraph, speed of sound is different in liquid, solid and gases up to the density of the medium. After that, write down the temperature of medium and density of medium and explain 2-3 lines about the temperature of medium and density of medium. Next one is the answer of 30. Your 30th answer is on 125 page. Left hand side, last paragraph. These explorers, cut the these and write down soundproof explorers up to the second last line, that is the industry. And after that, write down the activity that is on page 125. Now here students, your homework is to write down all these questions on your fair notebook and also find out the other questions which I didn't dictate. Thank you.